Now in continuation of hiding the wires, basically what we've done is we cut up a couple of holes. This is a stud right here, as you can see, and basically what's going to happen is we're going to put the stud going through right here. We got a couple of power outlets, and if you remember the hack, this is basically going to go for the like so and like so. Then we have the wall plate to cover a lot of that work. So this is pretty much how it's going to look like as a rough-in, right? Anyway, so the TV is here. It's still behind the It's still behind the TV. It's can we can wire it up. If the terminal's on the right, we can wire it up with this little groove in here, right? So it goes around in here, and we can still all hide the wall. That's the power line. 14.2 is going to go from inside all the way downwards, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to cut another one in here, another hole in here, like what we've done over there. You look through down. This is just an entry point for the receptacle, which I am going to try and take power from. Take power from in here, make a hole in here, run it through the bottom, right? And just follow my finger. And if you follow me, it will go run through in here. Another cut with the stud, another cut with the stud, and up you go, right? So anyways, so the next stud from here to there is going to be right behind that. So unfortunately at this point I'll still have to cut another hole over there. I guess that's the way it works. So I figured the cuts will be better at the bottom rather than up high. It's easier to hide. I mean, any light doesn't really shine on it as much, so that doesn't really show any imperfection once you put in the plaster. Sand it off and paint it off, so it doesn't show as much. Or if in any case, if you had another stand at the bottom, you can easily conceal it with that. In the continuation of the project for mounting the TV, we are now putting the screws at the back of the TV. So we kind of have to do a little bit of a hacking, or as you would say, creativeness, because the screw's too long and it's too short. So instead of adding a spacer, we've added bolt nuts. Sorry. And that's how it looks like, and we're just going to repeat the process. In regards to the rest of the project, we've kind of abandoned this whole idea here, but I may have something else to do, seeing that the TV actually comes with 3 HDMI ports. Originally the plan was to put the power and the low voltage together in the same gang. What happens is somebody told me that there might be some sort of interference with the signal, so I guess, just to be safe, we just move it around and decided to put the power up here, and this is just wired up all the way to down here. Right now I ran out of plate. I didn't actually pick up a plate for this one because it was kind of unexpected, so it's one of just contingencies you have to pretty much adjust to as the project goes by. Still needs to close this off, but that's minor. So here it is. The TV has been mounted. I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a back view. So it's been mounted. As stated in the plan, what we've done is we take some power from that outlet over there, right, and we just drilled the hole at the back, closed it off. You've seen that on the previous episode. Here's the second one. This is where it finishes, right at the back of the TV. Secondly, so we're now, power has been hidden away. The plugs, as it stands right now, I have, this is somewhat loose, so I don't understand why. But anyways, we're gonna fix this. This is, if you don't see it in the light, that's the cable box, and that's for the cable connected to the TV. And this is the HDMI connected for the device. I decided to put on a second HDMI, but I've kind of ran out of time and don't have enough time to go to the shop to get another cable that's 6 feet. But all of these are connected behind the drywall, going out here. So pretty much this is where I'm going to end up. This is where I'm going to end the filming, just to expedite the project. So as you can see, this is a little tiny hack. When you use these type of connectors or these type of wall plates, try to either put a tape around it because it's very loose. Particularly this one has like some sort of a it's
connected to a screw. When we put this in, I forgot to screw it down, so it kind of fell off, so I had to redo the wirings again. But it wasn't a big deal because this is the stud, and the other one has another stud right over here, so it's all between in this panel, so it's pretty easy to get to. So right now I'm just gonna finish this off, and pretty much this is where the project is gonna end. I hope you like what you see, and like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you guys follow me around with my next DIY projects. Alright guys, so the mount is the TV needs to be, the lowest section of the TV will be at 51 inches.